I'm going to show you how to change the rear view mirror here on your Infiniti. This is a G37 2010. It's really simple to do. Only thing you need is a torque wrench. It's a T10. I know you can't see this. Every time I bring it closer it gets blurred, but it is a T10. I have it in my description below if you want to purchase one. But it's really simple to do. Only thing you need to do is get into your vehicle. And what you want to do, look at your rear view mirror, you want to fold it up so you can have access to that screw. And then you want to come right here. And I don't know if it's clear or not, but I'm going to try to focus in on it. But it's a torque screw right here. Just put your wrench in and you will gonna go counterclockwise. And I'm gonna take it out the rest with my hand. This is the screw that came out of it. It's a torque screw. It's a T10. Once you pull it out, you just grab your rear view mirror and just slide it forward. I know that came out easy because I took it off earlier, but if you have problems sliding this out right here, just get a little WD-40 and just wiggle it a little bit. So that's what it looks like at the end when it comes out. And this is the holder up here. I'm gonna zoom in, see if I can get a better look at it. And that's all. If you would like to purchase one of these, just look in the description below. And to put this thing on, back on, you just put it in the slot up here and slide it forward. And that's it. And take your screw and put your screw back in. So if this video helped, subscribe to my channel and hit the like, turn on the notification for more helpful videos. Thank you and have a great day.